Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 18 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to create all this extrusion right here, and then we created the stairs as well. So now we're gonna continue working on this. So what I want to do first is to finish this one at the back, but we're gonna make it simple only. So I'm going to edit in place, and then I want to make sure that I select the same materials as the one right there, and then we're going to go to our north elevation and then create extrusion. Pick a plane, select this one, and then we're going to change the material, and then we're going to do the extrusion now. I'm going to just make it like this, and then here as well. Change this to 200, this one 200, trim and extend, trim and extend. Click finish, go to 3D to see how it looks, and we're just going to extend it like that. Delete this part right here, and then just delete that part right there. So we have the same one from the front, but it's just a simple one. And then after that, I want to select the materials right here because I want to have the same materials that we have from here. I just keep on selecting. So porcelain, tile porcelain number 1. So that's the one that we need to use for paint. So we're gonna select this one, and then we're gonna choose all of this right here. All the face that we have needs to be porcelain. So that it's consistent with what we have here. Okay, so now we have that one figured out. We have porcelain here and everywhere. And then for this one, we need to change this one as well to a different material. I'm gonna use this one stone, duplicate it. So that's for the border wall. And then here, I'm going to paint this one in a different, and then maybe this one as well. So we have a separation right there. Okay, so we fix that, and we fix everything else. And then here, I'm actually going to remove the mullion only in the middle, and then the grid as well, because I just want it to be like one whole window, except for this one. Actually, we could just remove this. Why not? So it looks sick, but there's still a door there. So I'm happy with that. Okay, so now we're good with that. So I want you to go to the part 1 description. There will be link there. And the second link, the first link is for all the regular Revit materials, and then the second link is for the extra families that I created. And then here we have spotlights. You need to download the circle and the square so that you can choose which one you want. And if you go to your downloads folder, we can move this one now, so you could just drag and drop. So which one you want, you choose. And then I'm gonna choose my square, and then the trick here is to add it to the location that you want. So I'm gonna add there, I'm gonna add here, and then add right about there, and then on this one as well. So any faces that you can add it, please add it, because it's only applicable on those faces. I'm gonna add it onto this face right here. Okay, so I'm adding it there. I also added it here, and then let's add it right about here as well. And then we don't have anything on in here, so we're good. So after that, I'm going to go to level 1 first. So here it's not visible, but if we go to our ceiling plan, it will be. So now this one is attached to the base of here. So I'm going to move it and copy, usually 1000. I like it to be consistent so that it's easier for us to remember. So once we're in Twinmotion, it's easier to add those spotlights. And then here we could add it onto the entrance, 1000, and then 1000 again, and then move it somewhere nicely. And then here we could copy it again, 1000, 1000, and then move it nicely in the location. And then here, I'm gonna move this one to this location right here. And then I'm gonna start copying it. 1000. I'm gonna make this one 2000 here. You just need to remember. Okay, and then now let's go down there. I think that 2000 is good enough, and then maybe 1000 here. I'm gonna put it in the middle there, so that looks much better. Go to 3D and see how it looks, and then we need to go to level 2. Level 2, it's not showing, so we need to go to level 3, but we don't have this view. So what you need to do is go to RCP, and then we have level 2. We need to show it, so we can change the view range, or we could do an underlay. Check the underlay if it's showing. Level 2, it's not showing there. Put it to none, and then change the view range. There we go. So now we just need to put it to center, copy it, there we go. And then here we do the same thing every 1000. For this one, we just need to add 2 and then center it. But here we need a little bit more. So copy, move it to the left, and then keep on adding 1000. And then just add it properly to that location, and then see how this one looks, if it's good enough, and then there, if you're satisfied, that's good. I'm just double checking if I was able to select all of those properly. And then after that, I want to edit this side, because I want this one. So go to ground. I'm going to edit this, edit boundary, and I'm going to have this one right there, and then edit this one, edit boundary. I want to change this one to this side. And then trim and extend, trim and extend. And then here we need to fillet arc 2800, and then 2800 as well, to be consistent. Click finish, and then delete this. Edit this one, and then trim and extend here. And then we just need to edit this part right here. So I'm going to go to ground again. And then select this one. And then trim and extend here. SL first here. Trim and extend. And then why not edit this boundary right here. Trim and extend. And then fillet art 2800. And then click finish. Edit this one. Edit sweep. Pick path. We're gonna select the edges. So let's finish this first and then hide this one. Hide element. And then edit this part. Pick path. And then click finish, finish, and then finish. So now it's consistent there. And then here, you just need to select this one and then unhide it again. And then close it off. And then if you want, we could add in a boundary there. Go to ground. Put it in wireframe. And then we could create this one right here. This small patch right here to be grass. Click finish and then go to 3D, and that looks really good there. So we can add a house here, a house on the side, and then some house here, and then it will look nice. So that's looking good right there. So what I want to do afterwards is actually I'm gonna just delete that and then change this to be consistent now, because we have some space here anyway that we could add some plants, and then it's up to us to add, like for example, I'm planning to add another house here on the side, and then maybe another house on this side. So I'll probably going to extend this one like that for background, and then we could add something here for the background as well. So yeah, I'm just going to move this one all the way. I think that's the best thing to do. Move this all the way. And then I'm going to edit this one and then move this one right here, and then move this one just around here, and then click finish. It will move along because it's a sweep, and then there we go. At least we have some space. We could put 2 cars here, and then we have enough space to enter. And then without a gate, we just have border walls. And then we could add in another house here. I'm thinking of adding a border wall right here, and then the house. So I'm just going to align it like that, and then this one right there, and then houses on this spot right here as well, with the other with trees as well, and then we could work on it in Twinmotion. So we're gonna stop here for now, continue in the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.